But overall, we're very, very happy with the turnout, and we thank everybody who's come to support children with cancer. I think we've created a lot of awareness, and hopefully this will go a long way towards prevention as well as support for those who have it already.
And show our desire that we are together with these children. And as Faraja says that, to give relief and comfort.
It was quite a success, and at the time it was to sort of deal with my grief after losing my son to leukemia, childhood cancer. And through that journey, I realized a lot of people have no idea that children get cancer or what it entails for the families and for the people around the life of those children.
I experienced a cancer diagnosis earlier on this year. I really wanted to help Faraja spread the word about cancer treatment for children.